The 16-channel AI beast replaces your security team. Hikvision iDS-7216HQHI-M2/SDVR review. Ever felt like your security system was just lying to you? Constant false alarms. Every rustling leaf or squirrel tail sets off another pointless notification, and you end up ignoring the alerts that actually matter. You waste time scrubbing through hours of grainy footage, trying to find that one critical moment, only to realize your cheap DVR missed it entirely. You're not just overwhelmed, you're vulnerable. The tools that were supposed to protect your business or home are making you feel even less in control. Let's amplify that frustration for a second. Imagine missing an actual break-in because your system flagged a raccoon as a person. Or realizing the 2 terabytes hard drive filled up 3 days before the incident. Dead zones. Terrible compression. Useless logs. Mounting stress, wasted storage, and growing anxiety every time you check your phone. Missed opportunities to prevent theft, protect assets, or even help law enforcement, all because your surveillance gear can't keep up with your reality. Sound familiar? Yeah. You're not alone. But there is a better way. Introducing the Hikvision ACUSENSE iDS-7216HQHI-M2/S Turbo DVR, your new AI-powered security commander. The 16-channel hybrid beast doesn't just record, it thinks. With deep learning-based motion detection 2.0 and smart perimeter protection, it knows the difference between a vehicle, a human, and background noise. That means fewer false alarms, cleaner data, and razor-sharp situational awareness. It supports up to 16 analog cameras plus 8 IP cams in enhanced mode. Built with H.265 Pro plus compression, this bad boy delivers max efficiency and long-term storage. Think of it as the Terminator, but for your CCTV. The perks? Oh, they're juicy. Crisp 1080p, and 5MP light recording. Built-in smart search for quick playback. 2 SATA interfaces for up to 20 terabytes of capacity. HDMI output at 4K at 30 Hz audio over coax. Deep learning classification for human and vehicle targets. Whether you're monitoring a small business, warehouse, or multi-site property, this system scales like a dream. Say goodbye to unreliable alerts and hello to streamlined, intelligent surveillance. You want peace of mind? It starts here. Dive into the specs, explore how this DVR makes your setup smarter, not harder, and see why thousands of pros are making the switch. Now here's your moment. Don't wait for another false alarm to cost you real damage. This Hikvision Turbo ACUSENSE DVR is in hot demand, especially with business owners and security installers tired of the old-school grind. Backed by international firmware and pro-level support, it's trusted globally for a reason. Act now, before stock vanishes. Join the smart surveillance revolution. Secure smarter, sleep better, click play. Click buy. And never second-guess your security again.